Join us as we take a tour of a standard room at Disney's All-Star Music Resort. This is the most affordable value resort on property with bus access to all of the other parks. It also has family suites for families who are a little larger and needing a little more room. So let's jump inside. So you can use your Magic Band, your key card, or your phone to enter your room, and you'll see it is about a 260 square foot room for these standard rooms at All Star Music, and they fit up to 4 people in your party, as well as room for one crib for an infant. In each room, you're going to find a small beverage cooler station. You're going to have your coffee maker. You can see it's a bit of a Keurig situation over here. Tons of storage underneath your television. There's some drawers. And then you'll also find a queen size bed as well as a fold down table bed in the queen size as well. Those table beds, those almost Murphy style beds, are very comfortable. So don't think of it as being kind of, similar to a sofa bed. It's going to be much better than that for you. And then you'll also have a full bathroom here. You'll see one sink, you'll see a tub shower combination, some places to hang your special items, and everything you'll need for a quick stay.